So I don't know if this is right or not on this Kubota L295 DT. I see. So this is how, before we disassembled it, where the timing marks are. And if you can see here, we put orange over them or whatever, but if you can see, there's a little 1, 2, and a 3 on here. You might be able to pause it and see that. That one says 2. This one says 1. But you can see how, I don't know why it's lined up like that. Now, I don't know if this is just somebody didn't do it right. Well, actually, maybe, is this a balance shaft in here, Chris? I think it is. So if they're all wrong, if it was just turned all once over, if this was turned once over right here, right, then they'd all be lining up. But for some reason, it's timed like this. So yeah, if this one was here and this was all clocked over the off, then it would all be lining up. But I don't know if this is the way they normally do it. If you're a technician or something, let me know. It's just weird. I thought it was really weird with the timing marks like this. So I don't have the manual yet. Like I said, I just ordered it. But if you're taking yours apart, I'm just showing you what mine's like. You can figure it out for yourself. Take it apart and look at yours, and then see. But I think it's lined up, but it just need to be. This should have been over 1, and then it would all line up. All the marks would line up together straight. But for some reason, it's crooked. So anyway, if yours is like that too, just comment below. Let me know. It'd be interesting to know. I mean, there's not a lot of videos on these L295. This is a 1301 or D1301, D1301 A engine. So D1301 or 1301, and there are D1301 is common for a lot of different things. They make the D1301, the D1301A. I don't know what the difference between D1301A and a D1301 is. I don't know if there is any difference. I think the motor parts in the middle are all the same, but maybe some of the external stuff is different. So anyway, I'll talk to you in the next video. Please like, share, and subscribe.